Hello friends, today we have to start the first chapter of economics, class 9th NCERT, that is the story of village Palampur. So, this village is not the real village, this is the hypothetical village, that is imaginary village. Now in this village, there in every village there is a main activity. That main activity is the farming activity. The that farming activity on all the people of the village is all dependent upon that farming activity, because that produce the food and um, th- that produce the food, and all the rich and poor people are dependent upon that activity only. So the developing activities are include small scale industries, natural resources, man-made resources, human efforts like labors वगैरह, and money capital for buying the machines, for buying different instruments or equipments for farming. नाउ दिस विलेज इज इसमें जो है कि हमें पूरा इसका विलेज का सामान वो अपने विलेज में ही थोड़ा ना देता रहेगा, लेता रहेगा सामान, तो उसको दूसरे दूसरे विलेजेस में भी ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है. तो अब इसलिए उसमें रोड्स वेल कनेक्टेड हैं, और अब उन रोड्स के ऊपर खाली रोड्स नहीं हैं, उन रोड्स के ऊपर जीप्स चलते हैं, टोंगास चलते हैं, जिससे सामान इधर उधर जाता है. Now in that village there are 450 families, in which 1/3 population, means 150 families, are of lower caste or poor people we can say, and the rest of 200 families are upper caste or rich people. The houses of upper caste or rich people are the bricked houses, cemented houses, and the houses of lower caste, that is 150 families, are made up of huts, straws, mud, that are also known as kacha house. In this Palampur village, there is not only farming and farming. There are different children also. So for their studies, there are 2 primary schools and 1 private school. फिर नाउ स्कूल्स तो हो गए, अब स्कूल्स भी हो गई, फार्मिंग भी हो गई. अब वहाँ पे एक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर भी है और एक प्राइवेट डिस्पेंसरी है. फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, देर आर 4 factors of production. The land, labor, physical capital, and knowledge. Knowledge in sense there is human capital. फिर in human capital means human efforts. फिर the physical capital is of physical capital includes your fixed capital and working capital. In fixed capital, there are those tools and machines like farmers plow and turbines and generators, etc. This is known as fixed capital. In working capital, there are the things that produce raw material, such as yarn for weaving, the clay for potter, and other things. Now labor in labor, the labor are 3 types of labor. Now first of all, what is a labor? Labor is that kind of man or people, a group of people who work together and brings an output. Like you can see in that this 1.2 picture, that there are so many people working in a factory, and for to take us to bring an output. Now the main first requirement is the land. The land is a natural resource, and land is a natural resource, and there are also other natural resources also, like water, forest, and minerals. Now we these all are the factors of production. Now we will study about the farming in Palampur in the next video, and thank you for watching this video.